Here we go, tips and tricks video on the Yaesu ATAS-120A automatic tuning antenna or screwdriver antenna. It's a beauty. I've done a lot of contacts, international and local, but there's a couple of little problems that if you don't know about it can be really frustrating. So anyway, let's have a quick look at these problems. First of all, make sure the rig is grounded. This is the 991A, fantastic radio. It matches with the ATAS antenna, so it's got the an option for selecting the ATAS antenna. When you hit the tune button, it'll automatically tune the ATAS antenna. But number one, make sure the radio is grounded to the earth of the car. Get a good ground or straight to the battery. Very important. I found that one out by accident. So very frustrating when nothing happens and you're sitting there just trying to work out what's going on. Next thing is, tuning happens pretty quickly on this thing. What you got to do, let's find a frequency. Let's go a bit further away. Let's go 14250. Hit the tune button and it's tuning. There it is over here on the guard. It's not the optimum position for the antenna, but it works very well. Happens fairly quickly. So there we go, we're all tuned now, and there we go. Sometimes you can push the tune button and nothing will happen. So that is very frustrating as well. You test the antenna and you find out the antenna tests fine. So what I found out is that you've got to leave it, hold the tune button, let the tune over here flash when it's tuning. Let's go back to here. When it's tuning, it flashes like this and like that. Let it flash away. The antenna won't do anything and won't move up and down. Sometimes you got to leave it for 3 or 4 minutes until it finds itself. It loses like its internal memory. After that, suddenly the antenna will go up and start to tune. Generally what will happen is the antenna will go all the way down to the bottom. So looking at the antenna, this part here will go all the way to the bottom and it'll sit and park at the bottom and won't move anywhere. So what you've got to do is just sit there and let the antenna do its tuning. I've done a couple of earths on here as well. It's very important to make sure that you get the base of the antenna well and truly earthed as well. You can't have too many earths with this antenna, otherwise it just will not operate. Like I said, it's a great little antenna, not overly tall, and does a great job. I'll retune it and give another demo of it moving from the outside. Let's go back to 14. Hit the tune. There we go there. Very quiet, very rapid. That's going from 10 meters to 20 meters at the moment. There it is. And that's the height of it there. It's not very high at all. It's probably, I don't know, 1.5 meters, 2 meters tall total. So there you go. So the things to remember: make sure the radio is well and truly earthed. Make sure the base for the antenna is well and truly earthed. If it does park and doesn't tune, just push the tune button and let it sit there and flash away. Just go away, make a cup of coffee, come back, and by the time you come back you'll find that it's found itself again and it's all tuned up. So no one mentions these things. Like I said, great antenna. I've made a lot of DX contacts from Australia to around the world, spoken to people in the UK, 5.7, 5.8. So it's like every mobile antenna. It's a compromised sort of antenna, but does a really good job. Tunes quickly, and it's good as gold. The radio's a cracker too, the FT991A. What a lovely radio. But there we go, we're coming down now. Back to 10 meters. There we are. Oh well, I hope that helps somebody. If anyone's got any questions, give me a hoy. I've certainly sat here frustrated long enough and had to work it out. But great radio, great antenna, and I would highly recommend it. Thanks for watching.